y equals a cos x plus b. So we can, because we've got a table of values for x and y, we can sub these values in, but we're always going to be left with a and b. If there's two unknowns like that, you're going to have to form two equations, and we're looking at finding a and b using simultaneous equations. Now, you could basically use any combinations of x and y here. Because I don't like the look of this 1 plus root 3, I'm going to choose this one and this one. So if we use this one, y equals a cos x plus b. So y is 3 is equal to a cos x. So in this case that's cos of 0. Now you need to know your cos values and your sine values. That's something, your exact trig values are something that you're just going to have to learn. So cos of 0 is actually 1, so that's 1a plus b. So we've got 3 equals a plus b, that's one equation that we need. If I choose this value here, then y, or 2, is equal to a times by cos of 60. So again, you're going to have to learn cos of 60 is a half. So I'm going to write half a plus b. Okay, we have now got two equations in terms of a and b. So if I can do it by substitution even, 3 minus b is equal to a, and if I sub that in up here, I've got 2 is equal to a half lots of 3 minus b plus b. So I've subbed that in for a. You can set it up and solve them by using elimination if that's the method that you're more comfortable with. I mean, if you solve this through, you'll get b. Because I know that the majority of our group prefer elimination, let's actually do it that way. So with this one, if I times it, in fact I don't even need to times it, let's say 2 is equal to a half a plus b, and then above that I'll write this one, 3 equals a plus b. Because my signs are the same, if I subtract through to get rid of the b's, a minus half a is half a, 3 minus 2 is 1. So if half a is equal to 1, if I times both sides by 2, a is equal to 2. Okay, well now I know a is 2, let's look over here. 3 equals a plus b, so 3 equals 2 plus b must be 1. So I now know that this actually means y equals 2 cos x plus b, which is 1. So when x is 45, find y. Y is equal to 2 lots of cos 45 plus 1. Y is equal to, now cos 45, you can either write as 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2. They're actually the same thing. So let's say you do root 2 over 2. You've got 2 lots of root 2 over 2 plus 1. So cos 45 is equal to that. But if I times that by 2, it just gets rid of the denominator. So y actually ends up being, if I times this through, root 2 plus 1.